Hi, Peter Robertson from William Porches Properties. Welcome to two of the most spectacularly positioned 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car bay riverfront apartments you will see anywhere in Perth. This is 2 and 3 of 22 The Avenue in Crawley. It's the Pelican Apartments. We've got this fantastic backdrop, direct access onto the foreshore like nothing else you've seen. Let's go and have a look at the apartments. Some of the fantastic attributes of these older style apartments is they're typically a little bit larger. They're absolutely rock solid. We've got solid masonry walls everywhere, and they've got a fantastic amount of potential to renovate, modernise and customise to your particular liking. Here we are in the lounge room of number 2. It's a big, open, generous space that flows perfectly through to the alfresco area, connects nicely to the kitchen and the dining area next door. Here we are in the main bedroom of number 2. This is a brilliant space. You lie in bed, you look out straight across the foreshore to the boats bobbling on the river out there, through the dappled light of the trees. It is absolutely stunning. There's few better places that you could wake up in Perth than this. Here we are in number 3. This is the end apartment on the riverfront. It's got a paved courtyard, that same absolutely spectacular view out across the foreshore into the river, and a slightly different configuration inside. Let's have a look at this one. The main living room of number 3 is absolutely fantastic. It's a little bit larger, slightly different configuration, opens beautifully to that forecourt, and the whole room looks out at that river. We've also got some fantastic side windows here that look into the garden that surrounds the apartment. Here we are in the kitchen of number 3. This is a slightly more modernised space than the retro kitchen next door. It's white, it's sleek, it's clean, it's got a great little casual meals area, and again, all of this space looks out across to the river and the foreshore. Here we are in the main bedroom of number 3. This is a little bit of a different configuration to next door. It is a big, generous bedroom, more than king sized. It's got beautiful windows looking into the garden. It's very private, it's very quiet, it's very tranquil. An absolutely beautiful space as a bedroom. So there we have it, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, absolute riverfront, ground floor apartments here at Pelican Apartments. This is a fantastic opportunity. You can buy them individually, or you can buy them together, combine them, and end up with one of the most spectacular 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 4-car bay apartments on the river foreshore in the western suburbs in Perth. These opportunities are rarer than hen's teeth. I really look forward to showing you through and seeing how we can make this work for you.